All right. Take a deep breath and listen carefully. I know why you're here. You feel trapped, like no matter how hard you fight, you keep falling back into the same cycle. You've tried blocking sights, staying busy, and even praying, but lust still wins. And now you're asking yourself, why can't I stop? What's wrong with me? I get it. It's frustrating. It's exhausting. But hear me out. You're not losing to lust because you're weak. You're losing because you lack love. See, most people think lust is just about temptation. They believe if they just had more willpower, they'd finally break free. But that's not how this works. Lust is not the root issue. It's the symptom of something deeper. You're not just craving pleasure, you're craving connection. Think about it. Why do people fall into lust in the first place? Because deep down, they feel empty. They're searching for something: comfort, validation, an escape. And when real love isn't there, lust becomes the replacement. But here's the thing. Lust is a counterfeit. It gives you a moment of satisfaction, but it always leaves you worse. It takes more than it gives, and the more you chase it, the more it controls you. Imagine you're starving. You haven't eaten all day, and suddenly, someone puts junk food in front of you. Are you going to resist? Probably not, because your body is desperate for anything. It's the same with lust. You can't just stop if you're already emotionally and spiritually starving. If you don't fill yourself with real love, real purpose, and real connection, lust will always find a way back in. So here's the truth. Lust isn't what you really want. What you actually want is love, peace, and freedom. But the problem is, you've been tricked into thinking lust will give you those things. So you keep chasing it, hoping that next time will feel different, but it never does, because lust can't give you what only love can. And until you understand this, you will always be fighting a losing battle. So how do you win? Not by fighting lust harder, but by replacing it with something stronger. And that's real love, not just romantic love, not just waiting for the right person, but learning how to love yourself, how to love life, and how to love God. Lust thrives in loneliness, so surround yourself with real people, real relationships, and real purpose. Lust grows in boredom, so start building something. Your body, your mind, your future. Lust feeds on guilt, so forgive yourself. Stop beating yourself up and get back up and move forward. At the end of the day, this isn't about willpower. It's about what you fill yourself with. If you keep trying to fight lust without replacing it with love, you will always lose. But when you start filling your life with things that actually matter, lust won't even stand a chance. So ask yourself, and are you ready to finally break free?